Rishabh Pant shattered the record for the most expensive player signed at an IPL auction after being bought by the Lucknow Super Giants for 27 crore Indian rupees. Pant surpassed the 26.75 crore Indian rupees that Punjab Kings shelled out to sign Shreyas Iyer a little while earlier in the first marquee set of the IPL 2025 mega auction. LSG entered the bidding for Pant straight off the bat and stayed the course to thwart attempts from Royal Challengers Bengaluru as well as the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Eventually, the bidding for him stopped at 20.75 crore Indian rupees, at which point the Delhi Capitals indicated their interest to use the right to match (RTM) option. LSG then decided to hike up the price to 27 crore Indian rupees as per the new regulations, which proved to be beyond DC's valuation of their former captain. Before Pant's big payday, the M1 marquee set of the auction also saw IPL 2024 winning captain Iyer becoming the first Indian player to breach the 20 crore Indian rupees mark in the auction. Iyer's signing was sought by both of the teams he's captained previously, DC and KKR, before PBKS flexed their hefty auction purse to rest him for 26.75 crore Indian rupees. The Kings were one of two teams to make two dips in the first set of the auction. Before the signing of Iyer, they exercised one of their RTMs to re-sign Arshdeep Singh for 18 crore Indian rupees, after SRH won the bid for the World Cup winning fast bowler for 15.75 crore Indian rupees and later raised his price by a further 2.25 crore Indian rupees. Meanwhile, Gujarat Titans signed Jos Buttler, 15.75 crore Indian rupees, and Kagiso Rabada, 10 Indian rupees and 75 paise, from the marquee set. In all, a total of 180.50 crore Indian rupees was splurged in just the first two marquee sets of the auction. Interestingly, however, KL Rahul, the third captain from the 2024 season up for grabs, didn't come close to matching the valuations for Iyer and Pant, with Delhi Capitals outlasting RCB, KKR and CSK to get the keeper bat for 14 crore Indian rupees. The winning bid for Rahul also fell short of the 18 crore Indian rupees that Punjab Kings shelled out for Yuzvendra Chahal, the leading wicket-taker in the league's history. Mitchell Starc, who was signed for 24.75 crore Indian rupees in the last auction, found his value slashed to 11.75 crore Indian rupees with Delhi Capitals snapping him up. CSK, KKR and RR were the four teams to not shop in the marquee list, while RCB, despite starting with the second highest purse, made the loan signing of Liam Livingstone, 8.75 crore Indian rupees, and opted to not exercise their RTM option for India fast bowler Mohammad Siraj, who moved to Gujarat Titans for 12.25 crore Indian rupees.